The GST Council's latest move to hike taxes on the resale of used electric vehicles has sparked confusion and debates. So what's really changing and who's affected? Let's break it down. In its 55th meeting, the GST Council decided to increase the GST on used EVs sold by businesses from 12% to 18%. But here's the crucial detail. This tax applies only to the margin value, that is, the difference between the purchase price and the resale price, and not the entire resale amount. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman tried to clarify this with an example, but it left many puzzled. She said, if a car was bought for 12 lakh rupees and was sold for 9 lakh, the GST would apply to the margin.
It is on that margin, the margin value between purchased price and resale price. 12 लाख में खरीदा, 9 लाख में बेच रहे हैं सेकेंड हैंड यूज्ड व्हीकल के नाम पर. On the margin is only this 18% is being put, as would be for any used car.
This led some to believe that private sellers might be taxed even if they sold their cars at a loss. So who pays the tax after all? Private sellers? No GST. If you're an individual selling a used car to another person, this rule does not apply to you. Dealers and businesses? Yes, GST applies. For example, if a dealer buys a used EV for 9 lakh rupees and resells it for 10 lakh, the 18% tax is applicable on the 1 lakh rupees margin and not the full 10 lakh rupees resale price. Why this change? This decision standardizes the GST rate for used EVs with that of petrol and diesel vehicles, which are already taxed at 18%. The aim? To ensure uniform tax treatment across all vehicle types. What does this mean for buyers? Well, dealers might pass on the additional tax burden, potentially making second-hand EVs less attractive. This could even slow down the growth of the used EV market. The good news? New EVs continue to enjoy a low GST rate of 5%, which supports India's push towards EV adoption. Well, that's the story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow and subscribe to Business Standard for more such insightful content.